Hi, it's Ronnie, and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday, where I teach you about a feature of Plantee or give you a meal planning tip in 2 minutes or less. So you may have seen a recent video that I made where I showed you how you can use the native scanning feature on your phone to scan in your recipe ingredients and directions from a physical recipe so that you don't have to type out that information. Now, if that's not an option that works well for you, or if your phone doesn't have that native capability yet, you can still import recipes without having to manually type all the information. So I'm going to show you today how you can use the talk to text feature on your phone to import physical recipes into Plan to Eat. All right, so here in the mobile app, I'm going to tap on the add recipe button. We're going to add a recipe by hand. And I'm going to scroll down to the ingredient section, click on bulk input. And then once I'm in this bulk input mode here and I've opened up my keyboard, I can use the little microphone down in the lower right-hand side. If you're using a different device, your microphone on your keyboard might be in a different spot, but you want to look for that microphone like you would use to dictate a text message. And all I need to do is tap on that. And now you can see that it's dictating the words that I'm saying to you. So I can say something like 4 ounces cream cheese, 2 cups butter, 20 slices of oranges. So you can put in anything that you want in there. As you could see, it was dictating all of the words that I was saying. So you can come in here and you can add line breaks between each of these things. When you're adding them in, you can manually add those line breaks in as you're speaking as well, so you don't have to go do that retroactively. But this is a really easy way to be able to add recipes into the program without having to type it all out, particularly on your phone where it can be a little bit harder to type quickly. So if you have questions about this, there is a help article linked in the description of the video about manually adding recipes to your account. You can always email us at help@plantee.com. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in another video.